behind you.
Belly. Get on your belly.
On your belly, crawl to me.
Come on.
Come on, buddy. Grab his other hand. Further. Pull. Into the trunk. Okay. Out.
I got you.
You don't fit.
All right, let's get the window open then. All right.
Let's go. Hey, down. Hey, is it unlocked? Okay.
Where's that breaker
window? Here. That's the driver window. Get that
Driver?
door open. Yeah.
Or passenger.
Is there anyone else in the car? No. Okay. Can you get through here? Okay. Does this come up?
That door open.
Here. Window's open? All right. Go in the front. Are you able to hold your breath? Hold your breath and go. Run right here.
Give me your hand.
Hold on. All right. Ready?
Okay.
I got a loop here ready for you.
Good. Hold your breath and come out, okay?
One. No. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, go. Head up. Move behind you. Move behind you. Look.
I got you.
Okay, let's go. All right. I got him. Move up, buddy. Car's moving. Get out of the car. Yeah, car's moving. Move.
I got you.
I
Thanks.
got a belt right here. What's your name? Where's that rope on the car? There'll be a tangle. No. It's not on the car. Okay. It's coming. All right, guys, let's walk him this way. Get him on the back side of me.